Kaya mo ko ito lagi. Used to wear the headgear, the necklace, and the shawl along with the wraparound. This beautiful lady represents Tibetan pride. This is the typical traditional attire of Jaina women. In modern times, it is worn only during programs or masses. It holds great value in itself. Mong, kumakas. Kawin haji, sawa aja kan.
This young lady is wearing a royal consort of Inkui tribe. It is worn by brides on her wedding day. This consort signifies the chasteness of the bride. This wraparound is called
Facebook, YouTube doon.
this wraparound is themselves with the solo during festival.
Ay, nito lang.
This necklace is the most beautiful in Liang-Mai's ladies attire. It is by the maidens attire, and the shawl is for Mungkok. This youth is one of the best shawl in Liang-Mai's attire. It's woven and with a color of black, red, and white. This is the Lui-Ngai-Ni young girl step, which is worn by unmarried young She is wearing young net. This is worn by girls on special occasions. It's wrapped around is synonymous to Gina tribe, which vibrant is amazing. It also holds
Tanahan di kini.
parts of Gina people.
Hao pala nila. Ram to di ko mam kam to di hazu.
The mekhala is also known as Manuruan Consoi. It is around the married woman. This consoi is worn during meetings or events by married women. This is called Lui-Ngai-Ni. It is worn only by the married women. This is called Lui-Ngai-Ni. It is worn only by the married women, thus called the married women necklace. This we call Serena. It wraps around wearings by young women, generally married women.
Bia. Oh, what?
The second from the left is the Lui-Ngai traditional wraparound worn by married women, and the stole that she is wearing is for the young married ladies. This is Uilasoi Consoi of Inkui, worn during womanhood. highlights the simplicity of Indian women. This necklace is worn by the old women. It is called Katurina. It is one of the oldest attire in Liang-Mai
เอา
tribe.
วันนี้
This is worn by all women wrap around and the straw. กระรอกไส้ส่วนขบวนกระทัดก็ไปแต่คำแดงไข่ This called Lui-Ngai-Ni. First ever wrapped around.
Of Indian and as sign of the family.